Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Arena, your core channel for all things tech. In this video, we'll talk about the complete roadmap to become a game data analyst. Ever wondered who's behind the scenes, making your gaming experience more immersive and personalized? That's right, it's a game data analyst. Let's jump to the concepts to understand how can you become one. Why game data analysis? First off, why should you consider becoming a game data analyst? Well, in today's data-driven world, the gaming industry is no exception. Every move you make, every level you conquer, and every item you purchase in a game generates data. This data is a gold mine of insights that can help game developers enhance gameplay, improve player engagement, and drive revenue. As a game data analyst, you'll be the one uncovering these insights and directly influencing the future of gaming. Exciting, isn't it? So, what does it take to become a game data analyst? In terms of education, a degree in computer science, mathematics, statistics, or a related field can provide a solid foundation. But don't worry if you are from a different background. There are numerous online courses and certifications on data analysis and machine learning that can equip you with the necessary skills. Remember, it's your skills and passion for gaming and data that matter the most. Speaking of skills, you first need to understand what you need to master. On the technical front, proficiency in SQL for database management, Python for data manipulation, and a knowledge of data visualization tools are crucial. But that's not all. Soft skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and effective communication are equally important. After all, you'll be translating complex data into actionable insights for your team. Let me explain you in a more structured way. Month 1 and 2, basic mathematics, statistics, and programming fundamentals. Start with the basics of maths and stats. Simultaneously learn programming language like Python. Dedicate around 2 hours each day for learning and practice. Month 3, SQL and databases. Spend this month learning SQL and understanding databases. Practice writing complex queries and managing databases. Month 4, data analysis with Python. Jump into data analysis libraries in Python like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Work on mini projects to apply what you've learned. Month 5, machine learning basics. Start with basic machine learning concepts. Online courses can be a great resource. Try to implement simple machine learning models. Alright, you've got the skills. But how do you gain experience? Internships are a great way to get your foot in the door. Working on personal projects like analyzing game data or creating your own small game can also showcase your skills to potential employers. Don't forget to participate in online communities and forums. They are a treasure trove of knowledge and a great place to network with industry professionals. Well, it sounds so good. But the main thing is that how will you land that dream job? First thing is that you need to keep an eye on job boards and company websites for opportunities. Networking can also open doors to roles that aren't advertised. When it comes to interviews, preparation is key. Be ready to answer technical questions, discuss their projects, and demonstrate how you can add values to their team. And yes, having a portfolio to showcase your work is really important. It can give you an edge over others. And there you have it, a complete roadmap to becoming a game data analyst. It's a journey of continuous learning and passion for gaming and data. So, are you ready to power up your career and level up your gaming experience for millions of players worldwide? Let's go. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.